Hi, this is Amrita here and welcome to the software engineering lecture. So let's get started with the topic. So what is software engineering? Let us first understand what software engineering stands for. The term is made of two words, software and engineering. Software is more than just a program code. A program is an executable code which serves some computational purpose. Software is considered to be collection of executable programming code associated with libraries and documentations. And engineering, on the other hand, is all about developing products using well-defined scientific principles and methods. So we can say the software engineering as an engineering branch associated with development of software product using well-defined scientific principles, methods and procedures. The outcome of software engineering is an efficient and reliable software product. There are many different researchers gives different definitions about the software engineering, but these two definitions are popular and acceptable to majority. According to IEEE, the application of a systematic, disciplined, quantifiable approach to the development, operation and maintenance of software, that is the application of engineering to software. And other definitions given by the Stefan, actually it's my favorite definition about the software engineering. A discipline whose aim is the production of quality software that is delivered on time, within budget and that satisfied its requirements. Need of the software engineering. The need of the software engineering arises because of higher rate of changes in user requirements and environments on which the software is working. So these are there are different factors. On the base of these factors, we can understand the importance of the software engineering. Large software. It is easier to build a wall than to a house or building. Likewise, as the size of the software become large, engineering has to step to give it a scientific process. Scalability. If the software process were not based on scientific and engineering concepts, it would be easier to recreate new software than to scale an existing one. Cost is other factor. For this, we can understand the need of the software engineering, as hardware industries has shown its skills and huge manufacturing has lowered down the price of computer and electronic hardware. But the cost of software remains high if proper process is not adapted. Dynamic nature. The always growing and adapting nature of software depends upon the environments in which user works. If the nature of software is always changing, new enhancements need to be done in the existing one. This is where software engineering plays a good role. Quality management. Better process of software development provides better and quality software product. So software engineering, it's very important for developing a good software product. Program versus software is a good concept in the software engineering. Actually, software includes program, documentation and operating procedure. So program is a one part of the software, and program are developed by individuals for their personal use. They are therefore small in size and have a limited functionality, but software products are extremely large, such as any application software and system software. For a program, the user interface may not be very important because the programmer is a sole user. On the other hand, for a software product, user interface must be carefully designed and implemented because the developers of that product and user of that product are totally different. In case of a program, very little documentation is expected, but a software product must be well documented. A program can be developed according to the programmer individual soul of the developer, but a software product must be developed using the accepted software engineering principles. So we can say program is just one subset of the software. Software can be categorized into two types: system software and application software. System software is a type of a computer program that is designed to run a computer's hardware and application program. If we think of the computer system as a layered model, the system software is the interface between the hardware and user applications. The operating system is the best known example of the system software. The operating system manages all the other programs in a computer. Utility software is the system software designed to help analyze, configure, optimize or maintain a computer, such as antivirus software and backup software. And if you're talking about the application software, general purpose application software is a type of application that can be used for a variety of tasks. It is not limited to one particular function. So real-time software, these software are used to monitor, control and analyze real-world events as they occur. An example may be software required for weather forecasting. Such software will gather and process the status of temperature, humidity and other environmental parameters to forecast the weather. Next is embedded software. This type of software is placed in ROM, read-only memory, of the product and control the various functions of the product. The product could be an aircraft, automobile, washing machine, a security system, signal system. There are many embedded software. Business software. This is the large application area. Business software could be payroll, file monitoring system, employee management and account management. Personal computer software. These software used in personal computers are covered in this category, like word processor, computer graphics, multimedia, animating tools, database management and computer games. AI software, artificial intelligence software. Artificial intelligence software makes use of non-numerical algorithm to solve complex problems that are not amenable to computation or straightforward analysis, like expert system, artificial neural network and signal processing software. Web-based software, the software related to web applications come under this category, like HTML, DHTML, Java, many more. Engineering and scientific software. Scientific and engineering application software are grouped in this category, like CAD/CAM, MATLAB, Engineering Pro, circuit analyzers, etc. These are the references. If you have any questions and doubt related with this video, post your questions and doubts in the comment section. I hope this video given you useful information. If it is, like this video, subscribe this channel for such videos. Thank you.